Pound never again. That's right. Fight the NRA, fight the gun people. They just want to kill people and make profits. FedEx, why are they still working with the NRA? Because they make money. They have a special deal where they give the NRA and the gun manufacturers discounts to ship their guns. That's why they're still with them, because they're making money. Dick's Sporting Goods banned all assault rifles and raised the age to 21. They have more common sense and guts than our politicians. The GOP, they're going to block any gun bill. They're owned by the NRA. Until we get the GOP out, they're going to block every gun bill. So what do you need to do? You need to vote. Vote out the GOP. Vote out the NRA. Go and vote. That's what you can do. And pound never again. We don't want any more massacres. We don't want people killed. Thank you.